Hey guys, today I'm gonna see if I can get a win in Fortnite with a keyboard with keycaps and with a keyboard without keycaps. So let's go. So we're gonna land. I don't really know where we're gonna land. I'm not too good. The rarest emote in the entire game. Okay. Dang it, I didn't mean to jump. I was looking at the keyboard. No. I guess I'm going reckless railways. The Grand Station. Let's see if it's grand. If I die, then it's not grand. That's dead. What was that? I didn't need to go over here and get this gun. Big pot. And the one over here. Let's go. 2 big pots. Oh shoot, they're already killing the boss. Shoot. I don't even have a shotgun yet, damn. Oh, there he is. Woohoo! Got a person somewhere around here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't like pumps at all. Oh my gosh, that's exactly why. Can't spam. Oh, that was scary. Why did it open the entire thing? Uh-oh. I'm gonna send it. I'm sending it. Oh shoot, maybe I shouldn't have. Don't let her get away. There's no way they're going for me now. Got him. Whoa. How did I end up with the medallion? Oh my gosh, that's... Oh. Just run down there. Gonna make it really quick. Nice, nice. Here's a friendly auto. It's like it knew my name. Hey, if there's anyone at the vault, they suck. I think there's somebody breaking in. There's somebody right outside. I don't know if it's a bot or not. I'm scared. Okay, I'm not gonna take the sniper. That'd be really dumb. But I need to get a quest done. So, I need to head down there. There's no way that didn't see me. Okay. We're at Hazy, so we're getting close. I'm not gonna go into Hazy. There's probably a bunch of people in there. And I don't wanna die. See what I mean? It's crazy. Still! That's why I'm telling her to be quiet. Nice. What is this? Oh. Okay, maybe I can complete all my quest. Help eliminate Krampus. Let's run a season 7 scan. Let's go. I haven't used my SMG at all. That's crazy. How is there 11 people left? I might actually win on this keyboard with keycaps. Whoa. Why did it go black like that? My monitor? What? Oh, I see him too. He's right over there. Am I the only one with a medallion? I think I am. I'm powerful. He doesn't know that the praise. There's no way he saw me from that. How did I just fall all the way down? What? It's something else's. Wow. I'm bad. Where'd he go? He's gonna steal my kill. He stole my kill. There's like 8 people at the same place. Should I get a win? Should I get a kill with my SMG? I did it. There's like 8 people around me. What is going on? Can't bother. How is there 4 people left? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh shoot, there's somebody shooting. Where is he from? Edits are insane. Where is he? Ah! Yum. Oh gosh. 50. Let's go. Ooh wee, man. He's gonna be healing anyway. What? Let's go. I'm gonna get the last kill with a sniper. Oh my. Okay, so he has a medallion. He has like 8. Dang it. I think he's in the bush. Oh gosh. I ain't down by the storm. Ain't that bad. Okay, I'm in circle. I'm going right over here. I see him. I see him. I see him. He's right up there. He dropped down. I don't know what he's doing. If I can hit him. Oh, I see him. Oh, let's go. So now that we've gotten the win with the keyboard with keycaps on it, Now we're gonna get a win with the keyboard without keycaps. So let's set this one to the side. Let's try it. I've never played without keycaps before, and I don't think anyone has. So it feels so weird. So let's go. Don't use them. Oh man. Oh man. How is he so low? What? How'd you get lower? Here we go. If I can get a kill. Oh! Oh man. Pushing the keys are so hard. How did he do that? How did I miss all my shots? I was aiming right at him. I need to go here. Kill Krampus. I'm gonna land on the zip line. Oh! Why was it up? Why did it go down? It's not meant to. Okay. Crap. Got him. Ah. I think that's Krampus. Looks like him. Oh crap! I already know ammo. He's running after me. Ah! Get out of the camera. No. What do I do? Oh, he's almost dead. Yeah! Let's go. And I got a sniper. There we go. Sharpshooter. Yes. Okay. There's nothing around here. Oh, shots. Oh my gosh. I thought the chicken was a person. I couldn't switch to the right gun. If I can get a snipe, that'll be crazy. I broke the rock. Oh my gosh! Oh! That was a good snipe. Good snipe. That was a good snipe. Oh, and he had a med kit. Oh shoot, there's a person. Oh, he's down there. I see him. He has a rare axe. I can't aim. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that was a little bit crazy. Oh, and he's building up here. Why wouldn't it build? Why wouldn't it build? Let's go. A car. Sheesh. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy. I couldn't get a win on the no keyboard because it wouldn't let me build. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you on the next video.